Hello friends, welcome to my channel Infotainment in the playlist of Smart Minds. In this video we'll see how to cast our mobile or mirror our mobile to our non-smart TV by the use of Google Chromecast. Well, I'm using this mobile and my TV is LG 32 inch, which is a non-smart TV. So first of all, after you set up your Google Chromecast in your mobile by the help of this Google Home app, you could see this triangle. This is Google Home. You have to install this app and just click it. I'll show you. I'll go to the home page first. Here you'll see a lot of options here like mirror device, setup mode, add, and all these things. This option, usually you go to this home page. It's already showing living room TV since I've already installed by use of this app. You have to go to the fourth icon, yeah, here. Then you can see under the tab of additional, there's a mirror device. Once you press this mirror, it will search devices. Yeah, cast to living room. Look, it has found my TV as a device, and you can see my TV is also showing the same thing as my mobile shows. If I move back, same thing will change in TV also. So if you want to disconnect it, you can simply go here and press disconnect. So again, your TV stops casting. So friends, I hope you have seen how to cast your mobile in your non-smart TV by the use of Google Chromecast. I hope it helps you. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel Infotainment to get more of such little things that we should know in this age. And thanks a lot for watching this video.